How to fix Windows 11 slow and lag problem? First step, restart your device. Once the restore complete after, open Task Manager. Under Process tab, look for CPU memory disk. Click each column to sort it from highest to lowest. If memory is near 90 to 100%, you may have too many programs or tab open or insufficient RAM. If disk is near 100%, a background process or a slow failing drive may be responsible. If CPU is near 100%, look for application using the most CPU. Don't end Windows system process until you know what they are. It's an important thing. Next step, disable unnecessary startup programs. Click startup apps. Search for a startup program which you are not need. Click it and disable it. It's an important thing. Don't disable the inbuilt application. Next step, free up storage. Windows needs free space. So for this, click settings, click system settings, click storage. Wait for some times. Once the loading complete after, click temporary files. Select the files you are going to delete. Click remove files. Click continue. Once complete after, come back. Enable the storage since it will automatically free up the space. Enable it. Once enabling after, close it. Come to next step. Turn off unnecessary visual effects. Search for run and type the following text sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Click Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings. Click and enable the Adjust for the best performance. Click it and enable it. Once enabling after, you need to click Apply in the bottom side. Click Apply and click OK in the bottom side. After completing this, you need to restart your device. Once the restore complete after, move on with next step. Click Settings. Click System Settings. Scroll down. Click Power and Battery Settings. In Power and Battery Settings, click Power Mode. Power Mode have three modes: Best Power Efficiency, Balanced and Best Performance. Depends on you can set it. Set it for both plug-in and on battery and move on with next step. Click Settings. Click Privacy and Security Settings. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection and click Quick Scan. Wait for some times. Once the scanning complete after, close it. Restart your device. Thank you.